Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Rosegirls, what is it, mini melter haul before she switched them over in March. I want to say she did it sometime like the end of March, or I don't remember when she did the switch over, but there were a few things that I'd kind of been looking at that I was like, wait a second, hold on. What did I, yeah, okay, I'm getting confused. I don't know, did I haul my ready to ship crap? Oh my god, I don't, oh dear. I don't remember if I filmed that or not. Okay, anyways, I'll figure it out. I've like been spaced for the last 2 weeks. I've been focused on other things and I honestly don't know what I'm doing. So this is the paper that it came in. It came super fast because she had already had the scents poured. I think once she turns the list around, it takes her a little while to kind of build up stock. And then once she has it going, then it's pretty easy. So it's fast shipping. I always like ordering from Rosegirls. I just ordered from her pre-order that she had that ends, well, March 31st, but today's April 1st. So I ordered from that. Oh man, that one was a tough one. I kept like knocking my list back a little bit. And then I was like, in fact, in my melting basket, I'm going to put some of the chunk bags that she has. I feel like you can kind of make yourself. So I was kind of like, okay, just like don't be a hoarder. So I'm going to pull some of my mini melters and make some of those because I'm sure my bags are cured and ready to go. That way I can kind of like get off that, what's the word that I'm thinking of? The fear of missing out or whatever you call it. Okay, anyways. So the first mini melter bag that I grabbed is strawberry peppermint ice cream. And I remember seeing someone haul this, or I saw it at one point in the group, and I was like, if that ever comes around again, I need to try that just because I love her peppermint so much. I don't love strawberry so much, but I asked in the group and a few of you guys responded and said that the strawberry wasn't like too strong. And it's really not. It's kind of a nice blend with the peppermint. I mean, because, you know, peppermint always comes through strongest to me. Yeah, it's not bad. The strawberry, I mean, you can smell some sort of strawberry in there, but it's not fresh picked. It's not any kind of strawberry that I would think, oh, like that smells artificial or that smells really realistic. It just blends with the peppermint really nice. So that's that, strawberry peppermint ice cream. Next one I got is Wackadoodle cream cheese frosting, and I think Wackadoodle is monster cookie and royal sugar cookie mixed. Is that right? I can't ever keep up with cream cheese frosting. So it's basically cookies with cream cheese frosting. Okay, and her cookie scents to me are always like really hard to smell. Like they're really strange on cold, but once you warm them up, they turn into like bakery fabulousness. Yeah, the royal sugar cookie to me always has like this, I don't know how to describe it either. It's like royal sugar cookie has this kind of like, almost like an, I don't quite know how to describe it. It's almost like an alcohol undertone, but not like a certain kind of alcohol. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I don't know. It kind of smells like artificial vanilla. You know, when you pour it in your, it smells like a cross between artificial vanilla and like an alcohol. That's what I get from royal sugar cookies on cold. It smells great. Like, it smells really good. But I just know on warm, like, it completely transforms into something really pretty. So, the next one I got, and I'm so glad I grabbed this one. This is probably one of my absolute favorites. This is Summer Breeze Noel. So, this is basically, I think Summer Breeze is Gain. Pretty sure. And then Vanilla Bean Noel. This one smells fabulous. Oh, this one is so, so good. I'm wondering if Summer Breeze is Gain. I don't know, that Vanilla Bean Noel in there is perfect. Like sometimes mixing laundry with like a sweet scent. I had something from someone the other day that was laundry and like warm vanilla sugar. And I've had laundry with peppermint. Laundry with like this, Vanilla Bean Noel. So sometimes mixing sweet things with your laundry can be really, really nice. Love that. I did grab another olive branch because I have been loving mixing olive branch with certain things, and so I grabbed another bag because I was just really like loving it. And this is like spot on Lush olive branch. Like, I mean, it's like perfect dupe of it. So I've been mixing this with like creamy lemon. Oh, this mixed with creamy lemon is so good. Also mixes good with like your Rains, your Zens, maybe even laundry might go well with this. I can imagine like laundry might go good with that. There's a lot of options for that. Next one I have, so I have a scoop in this, but I warmed this. Where did I have this? I had it somewhere. Maybe it was a sample. Oh, you know what? I think my friend Candy sent me like a little chunk of it or something. I used it and I loved it. This is Goodnight Moon, Lavender, Pink Sugar, Peppermint, and Birthday Cake. Like I said, I do have a scoop, but I don't feel comfortable just having the scoop because it's a small one, a 4 ounce, so I can get through that in like a day. So I was like, I need something a little bit more. This is a great blend. I love this blend. Yeah, and this is not heavy on peppermint either. It's kind of like a lighter peppermint, which is surprising because usually peppermint takes over. You get a little lavender, you get a little bit of the birthday cake. Now, I am not a pink sugar lover at all, but I like this blend, so you can take that for what it's worth. If you don't love pink sugar, you might still like this one. All right, stay. Okay, the next one I got is Save the Drama for Your Mama, Campfire Marshmallows and Vanilla Sandalwood. This just sounded really unique. Okay, so Save the Drama for Your Mama is, I believe it's pink sugar and monster cookie mixed. I had a scoop in this one before, and I really liked it, like even with the pink sugar. So I figured with the Campfire Marshmallows and Vanilla Sandalwood, let's just give it a try. It is really cold here. Excuse me. It is so cold here today. It is like in the 30s, and then the rest of the week it's supposed to be in the 70s. That's what kind of weather we have around here. It's like you never know what the weather is going to be. So I do smell, oh, this one's good. So I do smell the Save the Drama for Your Mama. And I smell a little bit of the campfire, just barely. I mean, it's very lightly there. That one's good. I can't stop smelling that. Yeah, that one's great. I can't say like there's nothing in here. I mean, I only know the Save the Drama for Your Mama because I've had that before. And I know what Campfire Marshmallow smells like. Now, vanilla sandalwood, I don't think I've ever had vanilla sandalwood like by itself. So I can't tell you like if I'm smelling that in there. But that one I think is going to be really unique and good. Next one I got is Absolute Fluff Puff, Fluff Puff Vanilla Crunch Donuts. So Fluff Puffs is monster cookie and marshmallow smoothie, I think. Like I said, I can't keep her wackadoodles, Fluff Puffs, you know, the whole thing. Okay, so this is coffee, then the monster cookie, marshmallow smoothie, and the vanilla crunch donuts. Excuse me, now I'm getting the hiccups. Okay. This is turning out to be a great video. Oh wow, okay, so this is very bakery coffee, like very bakery coffee. Obviously with all that other bakery component in there. Oh, this one's gonna be good though. I really like her coffee quite a bit. I mean, I really haven't met a coffee that I didn't like. I mean, you really can't do coffee wrong unless you just do something nuts. But that one's gonna be good. And then, oh, I want to talk about the samples because I'm actually really impressed. So I have been eyeballing the Love Yourself Fluff Puffs, but then I remembered I have 2 muffins of this. So I'm like, okay, you need to control yourself because I think it just came out in her mini melters. And this is mango sorbet, monster cookie, marshmallow smoothie. And I don't know if it has anything else in it. But I know it's mango sorbet and then the bakery components. And I just don't know, like, I'm not sure. Like, when I first smelled this, I thought, oh my gosh, I need this. Because in her pre-order, she had a mango sorbet blend. And I was like, oh, I might need that. But and that's the thing, you just never know if you're going to like something or not. And I hate to buy it in a huge chunk bag, but whatever. I won't ever smell it is what I'm saying. Because, you know, I didn't order it and I don't want to hear about it if I didn't order it, you know what I mean? So yeah, this one's good. It's pretty heavy on the mango sorbet. When I first got this box and I smelled it, I felt like the Fluff Puffs was heavier on this, so I don't know. But I thought I needed that. I don't know now. So now I should just warm through my muffins and maybe call it a day on that one. Just because I don't like mango or honeydew or cantaloupes and wax at all. Wild berry cotton candy frosting and baked zucchini bread. I really liked this one too. This one really surprised me. Wild berry mousse and like wild berry were like, I would always order them when I first got into wax, and now I'm like, I don't really love it as much as I first did. This, and again, that's so weird. Like when I first got this, it was pretty heavy on the zucchini bread note and lighter on the wild berry, but now all I smell is wild berry. Just so strange. It's still good though. Like I just remember when I smelled it, I was like, oh my god, I need more. But it just goes to show you, like, I don't know, maybe our noses pick up different things at different times. I don't know. Okay, so that was it. Besides the oh, look how cute her signature is on this one. It's got, she always has that like glittery pen going on, and this one's like a pink. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm obsessed if anything glitters. Like, I'm just like... So yeah, so she included her business card and then her thank you card, I guess, is what it is. Okay, so that is it. If you guys ordered from any of the Rosegirls, it seems like Rosegirls has been pumping things out lately. Like the mini melter switchover, and then she had the ready to ship, which I ordered from, and I don't know if I hauled it. I thought I did. Yeah, I did haul it. Okay, I did. I'm losing my mind because I remember some of the blends now. I had a pretty big list, and I remember I was scared. I was like, oh man, this is going to be rough, like ordering from this restock, but it went pretty well. Yeah, okay. So we're all caught up on Rosegirls now, except I'm thinking I just ordered from the pre-order, but that'll be a while. So, all right, I will see you guys in my next video. Like I said, I have some more hauls, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.